Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play What is Love on guitar. We'll start by breaking down the main chord progression for the verse and chorus, which forms the backbone of the song. Then, we'll tackle that instantly recognizable bassline riff, a crucial element for capturing the song's energy. Finally, we'll explore the overall song structure and rhythm, ensuring you can play it smoothly and confidently from beginning to end. Get ready to master this classic track. The core of What is Love relies on a straightforward four-chord progression. You'll primarily use a minor, G major, C major, and F major. Each chord is typically strummed for 2 beats, creating a steady, driving feel. Focus on making your transitions between these chords as seamless as possible. Practice slowly at first, ensuring each chord rings out clearly before moving to the next. This foundation is key to nailing the song's groove. The iconic bassline riff is what truly makes this song stand out. You'll play it on the lower strings, starting with an open A string, then fretting the 3rd fret on that same string. Next, move to the low E string, playing it open, and then fretting the 3rd fret there. This 4-note pattern is repeated throughout much of the song. Practice this sequence slowly and precisely to get the timing and feel just right, adding that signature bounce. Maintaining a consistent 4/4 time signature is essential for the song's infectious dance rhythm. The structure generally follows a verse-chorus pattern, with a distinct bridge section adding variety. To perfect your timing, practice along with a metronome, gradually increasing the tempo. Additionally, listening intently to the original recording will help you internalize the song's feel and dynamics, allowing you to play with authentic energy and precision. You'll be grooving in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.